Hey, in this video, I will show you how to see recently watched videos on Facebook. It's actually a very interesting video that works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is obviously go on Facebook and then click on the menu at the bottom right corner. It's sometimes at the top right for Android devices. You want to go down to settings and privacy, click on settings. Here you want to go down until you find activity lock under your Facebook information. Click on it. When it loads up, you want to click on filters, click on category, click on logged actions and other activity, videos you've watched. Here it is. And you can see all the videos you've watched. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one.